wake up, sunshine's near. Little farmers full of cheer. Let's go see the farm today.
Hip, hip,
hooray! He grabs his hat, he grabs his pail, runs outside down grassy trail. Goats go meh and birds all hail. Cows are mooing, good morning, boy. Feeding hay brings him such joy. Milk for all, his favorite toy. By the river, ducks all play. Splish, splash water every day. Laughing bright in a happy way. Brushing horse with gentle care. Main shines bright in morning air. Little farmer loves it there. Chicks go cheep and hens go cluck. Running round, oh what luck. Life on the farm just never stuck. Oh, planting seeds beneath the sun. Dreaming big, the work's begun. Every day's a day of fun. Much raindrops fall, the field goes gray, but he laughs the rainy way. Jump in puddles all the day. Rainbow shines above so wide. Colors paint the countryside. He spins with joy and beams with pride. Carrots red and tomatoes round. In his basket they are found. Nature's gifts from fertile ground. Mom says, son, you've done so well. Fresh farm smell, oh can you tell? He grins wide, his heart does swell. Helping dad fix fence with might. Wood and nails, they hold it tight. Family work feels just right. Walking down the village lane, carrying milk through sun and rain. Singing songs again and again. Feeding chicks near hay and tree. Cluck and flutter happily. It's a lovely sight to see. Under shade he takes a rest. Hat pulled down upon his chest. Dreaming life he loves the best. Riding horse through fields of gold. Stories whispered brave and bold. Freedom's worth more than gold. By the river sunset gleams. Splash and ripple soft they dream. Life so sweet, the perfect theme. Stars appear, the sky so wide. Fireflies twinkle side by side. Magic glows far and wide. Checking barns before he sleeps. Lantern glow in shadows deep. Animals safe his promise keeps. Nighttime whispers calm and still. Soft wind hums across the hill. Dreams take flight by windowsill. Morning light and roosters call. He jumps up, no rest at all.
You feed that one and I'll feed you.
Sing by river, laughter loud. Hat flies high, he's feeling proud. Village echoes joy out loud. Hat rolls off the cow,
just let it go.
places it back with gentle feet. They both laugh, a happy beat. Raining down the day's delight. Candle flickers, stars stand bright. Dreams take shape in a gentle night. Laugh and cheer, the stars so clear. Magic moments he holds here. Light dirt, my meets aprons hold. Bottle milk and tiny bleat. Warm and soft, so pure, so sweet. Every heart skips one more beat.
Ang dami sa akin.
Clouds like cows up in the sky. Points and laughs as they float by. Simple dreams can touch the sky. Fireflies dance, the moonlight hums. Crickets play their tiny drums. Peaceful night so softly comes. Campfire glow, his family near. Laugh and cheer, the stars so clear. Magic glows, his family near. Laugh and cheer, the stars so clear. Magic moments he holds dear. Lantern light and sleepy tone. He walks the field, not alone. Moonlight makes the whole world known. Horse tucked in the barn light low. Whisper soft before they go. Good night shines with gentle glow. Back to home he walks the track. Hat in hand, no need to pack. Peace and dreams upon his back. Shoes come off, he smiles inside. Warm soft light and love abide. Family hearts open wide. Brighten down the day's delight. Candle flickers soft and bright. Dreams take shape through gentle night. Yawning big, his eyes now close. Daylight fades, the moonlight glows. Farmhouse peace forever flows beneath the hill.
I want pizza when we go home.